Digestive health secrets revealed. Probiotics are becoming increasingly popular for digestive health, with many people turning to them to help alleviate symptoms like constipation, diarrhea, and bloating. These beneficial bacteria are found in foods like yogurt and fermented products, and they work by balancing the gut microbiome, which can improve overall digestive function. However, while probiotics can be beneficial, it is essential to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's safe and suitable for your specific needs. Psyllium, a form of fiber made from the husks of the Plantago ovata plant seeds, is another herbal remedy commonly used to improve digestive health. It's particularly effective in treating constipation by absorbing water and softening stools, making them easier to pass. Additionally, psyllium can help with diarrhea by adding bulk to stools. Despite its benefits, it's crucial to use psyllium under the guidance of a healthcare provider to avoid any potential side effects or interactions with other medications. Ginger has long been celebrated for its digestive health benefits, particularly in alleviating nausea and reducing bloating. It can be consumed in various forms, such as fresh, dried, powdered, or as an oil or juice, making it a versatile option for many. Ginger works by stimulating digestive juices and enzymes, which can help speed up the digestion process and reduce discomfort. As with other herbal remedies, it's important to discuss with a healthcare provider before incorporating ginger into your diet, particularly if you are pregnant or have existing health conditions. While herbal remedies like probiotics, psyllium, and ginger offer promising benefits for digestive health, it's essential to avoid self-medicating. Each individual's health needs are unique, and what works for one person may not be suitable for another. Consulting with a healthcare provider ensures that you receive the proper dosage and avoid any potential risks or adverse effects.